If you've ever needed to change a OneDrive folder name but weren't sure how to do it safely, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to rename a OneDrive folder and show you what happens after the change so you know everything stays synced properly. This is really useful if you want to clean up your file organization, make folder names easier to understand, or keep your OneDrive workspace looking more professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. You can do this by going to OneDrive and signing into the account where your folders are stored. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive home area. From there, look for the section labeled My Files. This is where all of your folders and documents are stored, so this is the place where you'll find the folder you want to rename. Now find the folder you want to change. When you see it, right-click the folder to bring up the Options menu. This menu gives you several actions you can take, including moving, sharing, deleting, and renaming. In this case, click Rename. As soon as you do that, the folder name becomes editable. Type in the new folder name you want to use. Make sure it's clear, accurate, and easy to recognize later, especially if you use OneDrive for work, school, or shared projects. Once you've entered the new name, press Enter on your keyboard. OneDrive will save the change immediately. The great part is that the folder will sync automatically everywhere it's used, so the updated name will appear across your OneDrive devices and online account. That means you do not need to rename it separately on every device. Just remember, if the folder is shared with other people, the new name may also update for them, depending on how it's being accessed. So if you're working in a team or sharing files with others, it's a good idea to choose a name that makes sense for everyone. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can change a OneDrive folder name and keep everything organized without any complicated steps. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.